Hey everyone, welcome back. Thank you all. Today we're making this delicious salad. Very healthy, vegan friendly is kale chickpea salad. Here we have some chickpeas that I got from the store, and I'm just going to rinse it off now because it's still very hard and raw. So I'll just wash it thoroughly, and next I'm pouring it into my instant pot where I'm going to cook it for about 2 hours in the instant pot. And now I'm just programming it to pressure cook for 2 hours, and it's done after 2 hours. This is it. Instead of soaking it overnight, now I poured it into my mixing bowl, and next I'm adding some garlic powder and some onion powder and more of the onions, and then some black pepper and salt. Then I'm just going to stir this and make sure it coats all the peas. Feel free to try this instead of buying the canned one from the store. Just get the raw one and pressure cook it, and it's going to cook really well and soft and nice. Right now I'm adding some olive oil, and I'm going to just shake. So right now I'm pouring it into an oven tray. And then I'll make sure I separate them on the oven tray so that they can roast well. So I'm going to be roasting this at 350 for about 30 minutes. So while that is going on, here is my kale. I've already washed it. It's clean, as you can see, really clean. So now I'm going to be pulling the leaves off the stem like that. So if it doesn't come out clean the way you want, just use your hands to separate and then squeeze them. Kale is very healthy and contains a lot of nutrients as well. So now I'm adding some olive oil to it, and I'm gonna wash my hands quickly and then use my hand to squeeze with the oil. Then it breaks the leaf gradually and it makes it to reduce in size. Since kale is very hard, the olive oil will make it softer. Now I just grabbed one lemon and I'm using the lemon zest. And I'm still going to cut open the lemon and use the juice as well. Squeeze the juice in there. This is homemade salad. And then some sesame seeds. Instead of pouring in some tahini, you can just put the dry sesame seeds and throw in some Himalayan salt, and then some black pepper, also some onion powder, and here comes the roasted chickpeas. So I'm going to be adding them as well to the salad. And at this point, our salad is all ready and waiting to be devoured. So I'm just going to quickly mix this, and I want to say thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe if you haven't, and bye for now.